Today we need to wash hands first, and then let's make our cookies. And the cookies are not just gonna be unhealthy; they're gonna be healthy. My name is Dara. Her name is Ava. She's my sister, and I'm her brother. And these are my friends.
Dara.
And this is Twilight Sparkle, and this is Buttershy. We are gonna make some cookies, and the cookies are not just gonna be unhealthy; they're even gonna be they're just gonna be healthy. Okay, first on the list, flour. Wait, no, first on the list, bananas.
He's getting bananas now.
Okay, good. We do got plenty of bananas.
And this is how we whisper.
2 bananas.
So we will just learn how to whisper.
Just bananas. We just need 1 apple.
And we're going to smash the bananas.
Oh, good job. How did you know that? Okay, good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now let's just take out. Flour. Okay. Now we get flour.
Yep.
Okay. And whoa! They just magically appeared. So I'm gonna speak a little bit Swedish right now. Is that okay? Okay. Good. This is bicarbonate. And check bicarbonate. Check. This is honey. Check. And this is vaniljsocker. Check. Oopsie, I placed it on the banana.
Oh,
And this is bakpulver. Thank you, Ava.
Wow.
Check. I speak Swedish because I am from Sweden, but I speak English too because I like English. Okay, now time to start.
Yep, time to start.
And now we already cut all the fruit. Now I place them in here. Now the blender is gonna start. Flour.
Almost 2 deciliter.
It is 2 deciliter. Wait, look.
Can I try to whisper it?
We're not going to whisper it yet, though. Now let's start placing egg in. Now we need vaniljsocker, I think. Okay, time for vaniljsocker.
Jag går in gilisici vaniljsocker.
Vaniljsocker.
Vad är vanilj?
I don't know.
Vanilla.
Okay, vanilla.
Socker.
Socker.
In English?
Socker.
Dara, socker.
Mommy.
Şeker.
I put some on.
Sugar. Bassa, coffee.
Bicarbonate. Now it's time for a little honey. Now it's time for honey.
That's not sweet.
Okay, good. I opened it. Now time for honey.
I'm going to still put stuff.
Okay, see?
Çeşme.
Can I have some?
Bara pustet.
I'm gonna do with the other hand. Smash! 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 Cinnamon! Tastes a little. It tastes a little like gröt.
Mm.
Put the oven in 175.
Hello.
Oh. Here is the examinator. That's just beer.
Yes. Good job. Hello.
Okay, now the cake is all done. We waited 20 minutes, and this is most Mom's work. So that now it's all done. We just took it out of the oven, and I was watching TV before, but my mom stopped me, and then now we started to film. Okay. And remember, just the parents should work with the oven. Okay, bye guys. See you later. If you want to watch this video again, then write Dara's baking.